It is with deep sadness we announce the death of Mr. Seaton Felix Glasgow, who passed away on Wednesday, 23 April 2014 at about 1:15 p.m. at his residence in York Hill, Leclerc. He was 73 years old. Mr. Seaton was a former employee of Peter & Company Limited. Left to mourn his wife, Zita Glasgow of York Hill, Leclerc. His one and only daughter, Tracy Glasgow of New York. Stepson, Willard Billy Lord of Canada. One granddaughter, Casey Glasgow of New York. Sisters, Linda Goodman and family of New York. Gloria Donnelly and family of New York. Also left to mourn, special cousins, the family of the late Kendall Glasgow of La Panse. Winston Glasgow, also known as Bugs and family of Florida, USA. Conrad Glasgow, also known as 12 and family of New York, USA. Ferguson Glasgow and family of California, USA. Anthony Starry Glasgow and family of New York, USA. Father Thomas Glasgow of New Orleans. Claude Reynolds and family of Granivier. One aunt, Theodora Etienne and family of Bexar and the UK. Also left to mourn the Charles and Stanislas family of Belleville-Choiseul, the Alfred family of York Hill and the USA, the Fevrier family of Bardouage, the Hubert family of Choiseul, the Glasgow family of Cicero, the Shari family of Pave, Mr. Sonson Weeks and family of Canaries, the members of the Vidbouteille Cultural Club, Here and Abroad, Hillside Plaza and Campbell's Hideaway, sister-in-law Josephine Jordan of New York, brothers-in-law Julian Billy and family of Leclerc, Percy Goodman of New York, many other friends and family, too numerous to mention, both here and abroad. The funeral service for the late Mr. Seaton Felix Glasgow will be held on May 14, 2014 at 2 p.m. at the Lady of Fatima Church in Leclerc, and the body will be laid to rest at the Shock Cemetery. The body now lies at the Ramballis Funeral Parlor. May he rest in perfect peace.